satellites have seen a sudden dramatic change in the behavior of glaciers on the Antarctica Peninsula, according to a Bristol University-led study. The ice streams were broadly stable up until 2009, since when they have been losing on the order of 56 billion tons of ice a year to the ocean. Warm waters from the deep sea may be driving the changes, the UK-based team says. The details of the satellite research are published in Science magazine. They include more than 10 years of space observations of a broad swathe of coastline roughly 750 kilometers in length, on the southwestern sector of the peninsula. Here there is a multitude of glaciers slipping down mountainous terrain and terminating in the Bellingshausen Sea. Around 2009-2010, the surface in this part of the southern Antarctic Peninsula started to lower at a really quite dramatic rate, of 4 meters per year in some places. That's a pretty big signal, said Bristol's Professor Jonathan Bamber. The total loss of ice per year is about 60 cubic kilometers. Just to put that into some kind of context, 4 cubic kilometers is roughly equivalent to the domestic water supply of the UK every year. Antarctica's contribution to sea level rise from melting ice, although growing, is still less than 0.5 millimeters per year. The reported behavior, however, would mean the southwestern peninsula sector now has the second biggest input to that contribution behind the large glaciers that drain into the Amundsen Sea even further to the south and west. One of the key elements of the new study was the use of the European Space Agency's Cryosat platform, which circles the Earth at a height of over 700 kilometers,